In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible strengthening exercise for your wrist and grip that comes from Kung Fu. This is a really cool exercise that you can do that doesn't involve any equipment. You can do it anywhere, and it's going to take your grip strength and wrist strength to the next level.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
This is called the Kung Fu wrist set. It's an excellent exercise that you can do for grip strength that I learned when I was doing Kung Fu and Wushu for well over a decade. So the way we're going to do this is, if I just stand from here, you're going to really think about keeping your arm completely still. The reason why I'm making this video, to be honest, is I posted this on some of our other social channels and it's had so many questions. So many people seem to want to know about this. So I thought I'd make a video that we can go a little bit deeper into it. So keep the arm completely still, keep your body still, and what we're going to do first is turn the fingers in as far as you can go. So we don't want to bend the fingers like this or anything, we're just turning the wrist side to side, coming in as far as you can possibly go. So the whole idea is that you pull the fingers to the end range of motion without letting your elbows go out. And then from here, keeping the arm still, we're now going to pull the hands this way as far as they can possibly go. Then we're going to open the fingers and we bring the little finger in first, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, until you come around and grip as hard as you can. Then push the thumb forward and splay the fingers. Now, the devil's in the detail. It's all about how the intention that you have on each of those movements. If you just go like this, it's really not going to do anything for you. So from here, what we want to think of is pull in as far as you can, really hard. Pull out as far as you can hard, little finger first, grip here and make a fist as tight as you possibly can, then push the thumb forward while you splay the fingers. And what you're doing in this last position here is you're pulling your hand back like this, spreading the fingers and pushing the thumb forward. So it's almost like you're trying to hold a pen in this part of your hand. But don't just let your hand go like this. You need to try to pull your hand back. That's really, really important. So if I show you a couple of reps, I'll show you at the speed that you're going to do it at. So from here, we go fingers in, out, little finger first, grip hard, thumb forward, splay the fingers. In, out, little finger first, grip hard, thumb forward, splay the fingers. In, out, little finger first, grip hard, push the thumb forward, splay the fingers. And even just from 3 reps like that, and I've done a lot of this, I can really feel it. I can feel my whole forearms and everything working. Do 10 reps without stopping. It's much harder than what you think, especially if you do it properly. But it doesn't take a lot of time. Like you could see how quick it took me to do 3 reps. It's only a couple of minutes. If you do that daily, if you've got weak wrists and you want to make your hands stronger, do that daily 5 to 6 days a week. You're going to see phenomenal increases in grip strength, wrist strength, and forearm strength. It's a really, really good exercise. So just remember to make sure that you keep the arm completely still, keep the body relaxed. It's all happening in the hands and wrists. Fingers in as far as they go, fingers out as far as they go. Little finger comes in, grip as hard as you can, pulling your hands towards you. Grip hard, push the thumb forward, splay the fingers out as much as you can get. And if you've got any questions, anything about this, hit us up in the comments. I'll answer as many of them as I can. And I'm going to make another couple of videos on some more of these Kung Fu wrist strengthening exercises and grip strengthening exercises, because a lot of you seem interested in it. So if you've got any specific requests, let us know, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, then you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit, which means you need to check out the Unify Movement System. UMS is strength and flexibility training reinvented into one highly efficient and effective 60-minute workout. Whether you want better physical performance or a leaner physique, our UMS app will get you there faster. Just click this link right here to learn more, or go to unitygym.com. I'm looking forward to meeting you inside. Oh, and before you go, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to support our channel so we can continue creating content like this for you.